Cooking rice should be simple, right? But somehow, it always ends up too mushy, too dry, or, let's be honest, completely stuck to the pot. That's where a great rice cooker comes in. Whether you're meal prepping, cooking for the family, or just want perfect rice every time, these rice cookers have got your back. Starting with KitchenAid Grain and Rice Cooker. It literally weighs your rice and calculates the perfect water to grain ratio for you. No more guessing. Plus, it has a built-in water tank that automatically dispenses just the right amount of liquid. You get 21 preset cooking options for different grains like quinoa, couscous, barley, and more. And if multitasking is your thing, the included steamer basket lets you cook veggies while your rice simmers below. Oh, and there's a 24-hour delay start, so you can prep your ingredients and let the machine handle the rest on your schedule. Next up, the Aroma Housewares One-Touch Rice Cooker. Simple, compact, and budget-friendly, this little powerhouse makes 2 to 6 cups of rice without any fuss. It's literally one button, press to cook, and it'll automatically switch to keep warm when done. But it's not just for rice. This thing can handle soups, chili, jambalaya, and more. The full-view tempered glass lid lets you peek inside, and the non-stick inner pot makes cleanup a breeze. Perfect for small kitchens. If you're after a versatile, easy-to-clean option, check out the BLACK+DECKER 6-cup rice cooker. This one not only cooks up to 6 cups of rice, but it also comes with a steamer basket for veggies, fish, or dumplings. Like the Aroma model, it has automatic keep warm and a non-stick pot, but here's the kicker. It's dishwasher safe. Plus, the steam vent design keeps moisture balanced, so you won't end up with a starchy mess on your counter. And now, a pick for those who want the perfect texture every time, the CUCKOO rice cooker. This Korean-engineered rice cooker is packed with fuzzy logic technology, meaning it automatically adjusts the temperature and cooking time for flawless rice, no matter the type. White rice, brown rice, oats, even baby food, it does it all. With a 6-cup uncooked capacity, that's 12 cups cooked, it's ideal for families. And here's the best part. It has a self-cleaning mode and a removable lid for super easy maintenance. Plus, if you're in a hurry, the quick white rice setting has got you covered. Next is Foodi Deluxe. This is not just a rice cooker, it's an all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. Air fries, steams, sautés, slow cooks, and even makes yogurt. With its 8-quart capacity, you can feed the whole family in one go. Its tender crisp technology locks in moisture and then gives your food that crispy golden finish. Zojirushi does it again with this feature-packed rice cooker. Fuzzy logic technology ensures perfect rice every time, adjusting temperature and cooking time automatically. It keeps your rice warm for hours, has a delay timer for convenience, and even plays a melody when it's done. Its clear-coated stainless steel exterior makes cleanup a breeze. Toshiba 6-cup rice cooker. Need a rice cooker that does it all? This Toshiba model isn't just for rice, it handles grains, oatmeal, porridge, soups, stews, and even steaming meats and veggies. Fuzzy logic technology adjusts cooking settings automatically for flawless results every time. The digital display and easy-to-use functions make meal prep a breeze. Short on space but still want premium rice. This compact Zojirushi rice cooker is ideal for small families or couples. It even has a setting for steel-cut oats and a special GABA brown menu for extra nutritious rice. Need long-grain white rice? There's a setting for that too. With a fold-down handle and retractable power cord, it's easy to transport and store. Small but mighty, this one's a must-have for any minimalist kitchen. And that's a wrap. If you love the convenience of a rice cooker, wait till you see what an air fryer can do. Crispy veggies, perfectly cooked proteins, and even quick snacks, all with little to no oil. In this video, I'll show you the best air fryers that take your kitchen game to the next level. Check this video out.